everybody and welcome back to my YouTube channel and welcome to another makeup tutorial. First off, wishing you all a very happy Easter. I hope you guys have a great one. So this makeup tutorial, the intention behind this is just that I was in the mood of putting on some makeup. So I thought that anyway Easter is right around the corner, so I might as well film a video so that YouTube ke liye bhi ek video ho jaye. So that was the intention and hence this makeup. So if you guys want to know how I created this, please keep on watching. But before that, if you're watching me for the first time, hi, my name is Radhika. I make beauty related content and sometimes vlogs on my YouTube channel. So if you enjoy watching such content, please hit the subscribe button down below and also click on the bell icon right next to it so that every time I upload a video, you get notified. And with that, let's dive straight into the video. But before that, let me tell you, I have also done a cut crease on my eyelids. This is the first attempt that I'm doing. So agar kahin koi bhool chuk ho jaye, please maaf kar dena. But I'm pretty happy with the way it has turned out. So yeah, that's that. But if you want to know how I did this entire thing, please keep on watching. So firstly, we are going to moisturize the skin, for which I am going to be using the Pond's Light Moisturizer. This moisturizer will do the job of both moisturizing and priming my skin. So here I will skip one step of priming because this moisturizer, like I said, will do the job of both of them. Next, I'm going to do my eye makeup so that the moisturizer that I just applied will get its time to absorb nicely into the skin. I'm thinking of using this Nikkie Tutorial X Beauty Bay palette. I absolutely love the colors of this. Used Zoomer on crease with crease blender brush. Used U on the outer corner with an eyeshadow packer brush. Now we begin with the tricky part. So I'm taking this very thin kind of a brush from Wet n Wild. This is a concealer brush. So I'm going to take the concealer from Sugar. This is the Magic Wand Waterproof Concealer in the shade 15 Cappuccino. This is what the concealer is. This is slightly fat for creating that crease. So I am going to go with a cream precision brush and I'm going to take that concealer again. So I'm going to take Mr. Tutorials, which is a nice shimmery shade with green particles into it, on my finger. I'm not using any brush. I'm going to take it nicely on my finger. It's a nice khaki green sort of color. And I'm going to be applying it on this concealer. Now I'm going to do my second eye and be right back. I was really not sure of what I was going to do on my eyes, but now that I look into the mirror, this does look quite nice. I mean, I'm first attempt of a cut crease and I am quite happy ki it has turned out pretty decent. I'm not saying it's the best, but it's pretty decent for a first time. Anyway, now we're going to start with our base makeup. So first we're going to go with foundation because we've already applied moisturizer, which also does the job of a primer. I am going to be doing my foundation now, for which I am using the Sugar Rage for Coverage 24-hour foundation. My shade in this is 27 Vienna. It's a nice high coverage foundation, so you don't really require a lot of it. Just a bit is going to be more than enough, and I'm going to dot it all over my face. Next, I'm taking a damp beauty blender. This is from Plume, which is now known as Praush, and I'm going to blend everything nicely. Next is to apply concealer, and for that I am using the Sugar concealer again. It is of a really nice and thick consistency. Now I'm taking the concealer buffer brush from Pat Extravita brush collection and I'm going to blend everything, but I'm going to blend the under eyes at the last so that it dries down a little bit and at the same time it gets the coverage also. So I'm going to start with here. setting the concealer so that it does not crease under the eyes, for which I am going to be using the Mars Translucent powder. I absolutely love it. It comes with a puffer, but I'm going to be taking this triangle so that it reaches on the inner corners of my eyes really nicely. Next, I'm going to be applying bronzer, blush and highlighter. All three of them are going to be from Sugar. These are the Sugar Contour de Force mini bronzers and mini blushes and highlighters. The bronzer is in the shade 02 Woody Wonder. The blush is in the shade 02 Pink Pinnacle, and the highlighter is in the shade Champagne Champion 01. I'm going to be taking a thin pencil brush from PAC, and I'm going to be using the same Sugar highlighter for my inner corners and my brow bones. Now our face is done. I'm going to pack everything really nicely using this PAC Micro Finish Makeup Fixer. Now the base is completely done. The eyes and the lips are the only two things that are remaining. So we are going to go with the eyes first. We're going to complete the complete eye look, and then we'll wind this entire look with a nice shade of lipstick. Since my eyebrows are pretty bushy, I am not going to go with something that is too much to be done. I'm not going to be using too much of brow product. So I am using this Sugar Arch Arrival Micro Brow Pencil in the shade Taupe Tone. For the eyeliner, I have used the Lakme Absolute Shine Line Eyeliner in the shade Black. Now that the eyeliner and the eyebrows are done, we are going to do the lower lash line, for which I am going to be picking up the green color and not the other the transition shade that we used, just the green color. And I'm not going to go all the way till the inside, just a little bit on the outer corner of the lower lash line. Now I'm going to be applying kajal, for which I am using the Lakme Absolute Kohl Ultimate Kajal. Absolutely love it. Now that all of this is done, we are going to go with the mascara, for which I am going to be using the Mars mascara, which is the Mars #Fabulash mascara. Lastly, we're left with the lips. I am going to go with a combination of a lip liner and a lipstick. The lip liner is from Sugar. This is the Lipping on the Edge lip liner in the shade Taffeta Terracotta. And the lipstick that I'm going to be using today is the Smashbox Always On in the shade Driver's Seat. What my fine look has turned out to be, and with the first attempt of cut crease, I'm pretty happy with how my cut crease has turned out. It's a bit messy, but obviously practice makes it perfect, so it's going to take a lot of practice for me to reach that perfection. But yes, for the first time, I'm pretty happy with how it has turned out. If you enjoyed watching this makeup tutorial, please hit the like button, comment down below and let me know how you enjoyed watching this. I would love to hear it from you guys. Also, share this video with your family and friends, and if you and your family and friends haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do that. And the product links to all the products that I've used, as usual, everything will be mentioned in the description box below. Also, do not forget to follow me on Instagram. The links to all my social media handles are also going to be mentioned in the description box below. I will see you guys in my next video. Until then, bye.